Bitstamp Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Bitstamp are in the description. Bitstamp is one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, and its staking platform is designed for those who want to earn passive income on their crypto holdings while enjoying the security and reliability Bitstamp is known for. The platform offers staking for Ethereum 2.0, Tezos, and Algorand, providing a solid range of assets for both newcomers and experienced crypto users. One of the primary features of Bitstamp's staking platform is its ease of use. The interface is simple and straightforward, making it easy for beginners to stake their assets without confusion. You can start staking directly from your Bitstamp account, and it requires minimal technical knowledge to get started. This is ideal for those who want to earn rewards without getting into the complexities of staking on decentralized platforms. Bitstamp offers competitive rewards, with annual yields varying based on the asset. For example, Tezos can offer rewards of up to 5% per year, while Ethereum 2.0 staking rewards are around 4 to 6%, depending on network conditions. These returns are automatically paid out to your account, making it easy to track your earnings over time. Security is another strong suit of Bitstamp. The platform uses industry-standard security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for user funds. Bitstamp is regulated in several countries, offering an added layer of trust for users who value transparency and security. However, one limitation is the lack of a wide range of staking assets compared to some other platforms. So it may not be ideal for users looking to stake a broader variety of tokens. Bitstamp is best for those who are looking for a trusted, secure, and straightforward staking experience with a select group of reliable assets. In conclusion, Bitstamp's staking platform is perfect for those who value simplicity, security, and reliability. If you're interested in staking on a trusted platform with competitive rewards, check out the links in the description to get started.